a guide you to find saved videos on YouTube. For that, let's hop into the YouTube. From there, you need to tap on any of the video for saving. Let's say I'm tapping on this Leviating song, and from here I can scroll to find this save option. So I'm tapping on here, and you could see that bookmark was changed to black. That means it was saved. Now I can go back. I can tap on my profile. From there, you could see the playlist. So in that you could find the saved videos. So by default, saved videos will be saved to the watch later. So until and unless you create a new playlist and you can tap on changing to that new playlist, the default saved videos will be go to the watch later. For seeing that, you need to tap on view all, and in that you need to tap on watch later here. Now here you could see that song which just now I have been added. This is how you could find saved videos on YouTube. Thank you.